Hello everybody, welcome to Ankara Nation Online Training. My name is Lizzie. On this channel, I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara accessories. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you! Today, we are on the making of our Ankara box bag. These are the materials I will be using. Ankara material, lining, marco, paper fiber, bag pin, bag stand, bag hook and bag locker, bag edge control, hammer, tape rule, top bum gun. Now, cut out the length and the width of your box bag from your paper fiber. Like this one I've already cut out. The width of this one is 26.5, the length. Then the width is 11. This will be the inside of our box bag. You will now fold it to the way you want your bag to look like. You fold it. Now, make sure your length is always longer than your width when you want to make box bag. Now, we want to fold to the way we want our box bag to look like. Put your tape rule and measure. Measure from this end, from this starting, measure 7.5. Use your pen to mark 7.5. That's how you will measure all through. Measure 7.5. Make sure your measurement is the same thing. When you measure your 7.5 all through, you fold your bag like this. Fold that line you measure. After folding your bag, use your hammer to hit it. Then open it. Take your tape rule. Measure from here to here, 4 inches. This should be with the down of our bag. Measure all through. Make sure they are equal. After you measure your 4 all through, then you fold again. Fold the line you measure. Fold. Use your hammer to hit it. After folding, hit your tape rule. Remember, from here to here is 7.5. From here to here is 4. Now we want to measure from here to here, 7.5. Use your pen to mark it. Measure 7.5 all through. When you get your measurement all through 7.5, then fold again. Fold, use your hammer to hit it. After folding this one, open it. Pick your tape rule. From here, measure from here to here. Another 4 inches. Measure it all through as well. After measuring and folding, this is how your paper fiber will look like. Don't forget, this top is 4 inches. This down is 4 inches. This side is 7 inches. This side too is 7 inches. Now, open your paper fiber. Bring out your line you've already cut out in excess. In the size of this paper fiber, cut out your lining in that size and add excess, like 2 inches to the both side. We'll be wrapping the inside of our paper fiber with the lining. Now, to add your gum to paper fiber, leave it a little bit to dry, then add your lining. After applying your gum, leave it a little while to dry. Then pick up your lining and cover it. Use your hand to smoothen it. After using your hand to smoothen in your lining, turn it to the other side. This is how it will look like. Now on this side, we'll fold it in. Fold your lining, the excess. Fold it in. Add your gum to the edges of the paper fiber and fold in your lining. After folding in your lining, raise it up. Arrange your bag the way you want it to be. This is how your bag will look like. We've wrapped the inside of our bag. Now, pick your marco. Cut out your marco the same size you cut out your paper fiber. But when you are cutting your marco should be 1 inch longer than your paper fiber, and the width should be 1 inch longer. That means our paper fiber the length is 26.5. Our marco is 27.5, 1 inch longer. The width of our paper fiber is 11. The width of our marco is 12. This is 12. This is 27. Then you fold the same way we folded this paper fiber. That is how you fold your marco as well. After folding, you pick your material like this and add your gum. Wrap it, gum it on it, turn it to the other side and fold it in, just exactly the way we just made this paper fiber. Now that's the way you make your marco as well. After folding your marco the same way we folded your paper fiber, this is how it will look like. Now the next thing you do, pick your material, add your gum to the inside of your marco and add your material to it. After folding wrapping your material on your marco, this is what we will use to cover our paper fiber. Now the next thing you do, cut out the side of your bag. Remember, this side is 7.5, this side is 7.5, this top is 4 inches, this down is 4 inches. So on your paper fiber to cover the side of your bag, your length will be 7.5, your width will be 4, just like this. It will be covering here. Now pick your lining, cut it out in the same shape, but add excess, 1 inches excess to the both end. You use it to wrap your lining. Add your gum, then wrap your lining with it. After folding it, this is how it will look like. Remember, this is the side of our bag, standing like this. The side of our bag. Now, what you do? Turn the other side where you folded in your lining. Add your material to it. When you want to cut your material, cut the same length of this paper fiber on your material, but add 2 inches excess to the both end, both the down and the side. Add 2 inches excess. Look at how it will look like on your material. Add your gum to paper fiber and gum your material. That's how you gum the both sides. Use your hand to smoothen your material on the side of your bag. This is how it will look like. Now, this is how you fold. This is where we'll be standing at the top of your bag. Fold in your material like this. Fold in your material like this. Fold it in. Stand like this. And leave others to look like this. That's how you fold the other one as well. Add your gum and fold it in. After wrapping your material, this is how it will look like. Fold in this edge. Fold in the edge. This is the side of your bag. Now, pick your paper fiber like this. Add gum to these edges. Add gum. Then you place the side of your bag on it like this. After adding gum, wrap your material on your paper fiber. That's what you use to both sides of the bag. After fixing the both side of your bag, adding the both side of your bag here and here. This is how your bag will look like. Now, cover your bag and get where your bag locker will stay. Here now, use your scissors. Here's a hole here and here. This is your bag locker. For a while to dry, and wrap your marco with your paper fiber. After gumming your marco like this, now when you get here, before you gum this one to the down of your bag, add your bag stand. Look for a sharp object, maybe needle, and you can as well use your scissors. Pierce a hole here, pierce a hole here, and add your bag stand. Fix it in to come out from this other stand. Open it. Come here. And you add to this other side as well. After adding your bag stand, now you can gum your marco on your paper fiber. After fixing in your bag stand, before you gum this side, come and fix in your bag locker here. Cover your bag here. Take your bag locker, fix it in like this. Fix it in. Use your hand to press it, and you can use hammer as well to hit it. Then cover this one. Put it to know where the bag lock will stay. Use your pen to mark it so that you know where your bag locker will stay. Mark it. Then your bag locker will stay in that place. Use your pen to mark like this. Use your scissors or a sharp object. Pierce a hole here. Pierce another hole here. Before you fix in your bag locker. Use your scissors, pierce a hole. Take your bag hook and fix it in. Come to the back here. Fold it, press it, hit it with your hammer hit it with a hammer. Then before you gum to your bag. Okay, after fixing your bag, gum your bag. This is how it will look like. Our Ankara box bag is almost ready. Now it's remaining the handle of our bag. On your marker, cut out the length of how you want your bag handle to look like. This one will be staying here now, like this. This one I cut out is 17 inches. Then the width is 1.5, depending on how you want it to look. Then you cut out the material in excess to wrap it. You'll be wrapping like this. Gum this side, fold in here and fold in here, then fold in here and fold in here. Like this is what we'll use on the handle of our bag. Now let's wrap. Add your gum. After wrapping your bag handle with your material, now open your bag like this. Pierce a hole here where you want your bag handle to stay. Use a sharp object. Pierce a hole here and pierce another hole here. After fixing your pin, cover your bag and fix your bag. This is bag edge. Fix your bag edge. Use your hand to press it. Fix the other side as well. After fixing your bag edge, now you can use your rose flower or sunflower to design your bag. This is one I've already made. This is bag button, bag fancy button. You can put cover button here instead of this bag fancy button. Now we'll add this one to our bag. All you need to do is just to take your UH gum, add it to your bag, leave it a bit to dry, then you add your rose flower on your bag. Hold your rose flower to dry on your bag. You can also use your bag chain if you don't want to use your bag handle. So this is the finished work of our Ankara box bag. That's how it will look like. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Ankara Nation. Thanks for watching.